So 2.5, I want to talk about solving equations containing integers. So first of all, I want to talk about the inverse property of addition. So what is this? So in the words, the sum of a number and its opposite or additive inverse is 0. So in this example, we have 3 plus -3 equals to 0. And in algebra, we have a plus -a equals to 0. So this is the property of inverse property of addition. So the sum of a number and the opposite, or we call the additive inverse, is 0. So then in this case, how do we solve each equation? So to solve each equation, first of all, we want to isolate the variable, and then we circle the numbers. And then as we move it to the other side, the negative will become positive. So in here, I have y equals to -5 plus 3, which is -2. Okay, so for question B, I want to isolate the variable. So I circle the number, move it to the other side, positive become negative and equals to -13. For question C, in the left side, I have -a. In the right side, I have plus 8 because negative will become positive to the other side. So x equals to -32 plus 8, which is -24. For example 2, I want to solve these equations, and now I want to isolate the variable. So now this is divided by -3. So to the other side, I multiply -3. So a equals to -27. For question B, I also want to isolate the variable, so I divide it by 6 both sides. So x becomes -20. So now in the business application, a shoe manufacturer made a profit of 800 million. So this amount is 200 million more than last year's profit. So what is last year's profit? So whatever is the question, we let last year's profit be x. So last year's profit plus 200 equals to 800. So I cancel out 200, move to the other side, minus 200. X equals to 600. So last year's profit was 600 million. And then let's do think and discuss.